Welcome to episode number 4 in our mini video series. We're going to take a closer look at how Datical brings automated continuous integration to the database. Here I've got a Jenkins Open Blue Ocean pipeline for my application Gauntlet.com from development to production. Now with application code, there are tools that automatically verify, build, and package my code into an artifact for repeatable downstream deployments. But unfortunately, this doesn't happen with database code today. Instead, database code is manually reviewed and it's manually deployed to each environment. And that's where Datical's Code Packager comes in. It brings continuous integration to database code by automating database code validation and creating an artifact with that validated database code that can be used for downstream deployments with build and release tools like Jenkins. And that's exactly what I have set up here. Now, I just kicked off a build a little while ago, and it looks like it failed. Datical's packager found a bad database change, and the build failed, exactly like you would expect with bad application code. Let's take a look at the Datical report from that build, and we can see that. Here we go. Yeah, it looks like I forgot to add a primary key to a table I created. This was caught by Datical's extendable rules engine that automates database code review to ensure that database changes meet your best practices and corporate standards. Datical's rules engine is object-based, so it can catch issues like not having a primary key very easily. Back to the issue at hand, I do have a fix for that. And what I'm going to do is uncomment that constraint. I will check my code back in. And I will initiate another build. Okay, let's see how that build is going. Okay, this time it looks like it made it through the packaging step. It built my application and it created an artifact. That artifact I'm going to use for downstream deployment. Now, if I go into Artifactory, I can see that the last version I had was 1018. So now when I look, I've got 1020, and that's my new application and database code artifact that I can use for all downstream deployments. So this is really a short example of how Datical can bring automated continuous integration to your database changes. Please request a demo if you'd like to see more. We'd love to show it to you.